So hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll tell you how to sort your name in shell script. Okay, so it is not a difficult. Still, if you are not practicing, then you will be face the problem. So it is the most important program how to sort the your name in shell script. Okay, so it is very important. So here I'll be write suppose gedit. Okay, sorting name. Okay, so you see the program. Okay, sorting name dot sh. It is the most valuable and important program. So all of you, okay, see it. So here I'll be write suppose first echo, okay, enter your name, echo enter your name. Okay, so here I'll be write read, okay, name. So first thing is I will be find out the length of the name. So it is the most important. So how to write find it? You will write length is equal to, you will be write, okay, suppose echo, okay, then dollar name, okay, so we will write, okay, wc minus c. You check whether it is working or not. So here I will write echo length, okay, so dollar alien, okay, so I'll be check it, close. Okay, so here I'll write BASH. I'll write the own length 5. Okay, remember here length always your start from name starts from 1. So here I'll write I equals to 1. Okay, then I'll be declare the one array so that all the character will be extract and store in the array character array. So declare a minus a is the array name. Okay, so here I'll be what extract one by one character and store into the array. So here I'll be write while, okay, dollar, okay, dollar I, okay, so minus lt dollar, okay, alien, okay, same as c, what write while, okay, then I less than length, okay, so then what to write here, you will write a do and here you will write the curly braces, okay, then here you will be extract one by one. So what will write here, ch is equal to, okay, echo echo, okay, so here you will be write dollar name, okay, dollar name one by one character. What will you write, it will be the right, okay, cot minus c, okay, here it will be write the dollar I means what, one by one character it will be caught. Okay, so here in C what will write here, in C you will be write, okay, in C, okay, will be write then what, ch is equal to dollar name of I. Okay, same thing, that means it will extract one by one character and store. Okay, then what will do, I will be extract this ch, then here you can also directly store in character array by using dollar I. Okay, dollar I will be stored that caught one by one character and store in the, okay, your one by one characters caught okay, dollar name by using dollar I. Dollar I means what? Now here is the if one means first character to store. Suppose I have given in the name, suppose Abhinandan is equal to, suppose Abhinandan. Okay, so that it will first extract the A and store in this. Suppose here I will name the, okay, so here it will be caught, okay, K, then store here CHI. Okay, then next I plus 1 means next character R, next I, next T. Like this it will be stored one by one character in $CHRA. Okay, then next what will do here, you will be, okay, after storing in array, you will be increment the array size is equal to, okay, EXPR, okay, dollar I plus 1. Okay, then next we will be write the done. That means my array has completed. So if I want to print the array, then I have told in another class that you can write array is, okay, it will print dollar, okay, dollar, then what to write here, array name is ch, okay, write the @ symbol, so it will be directly print the array. Okay, so I'll check this whether it is working or not. You just see here, okay, I'll close this and run this. Okay, then I'll write it bash. Okay, so here I'll be got this because my criteria is I'll be enter the Kritika. So here we'll write the clear. Okay, then see clear. I enter Kritika. Okay, then you can find in one by one character array in store, okay, Kritika. So then I'll be remove this. It will be, my program will odd, it will look like odd, so ugly. So I'll be remove this. Then after I'll be write the logic. Okay, so again my I will be start to 1. Okay, so I equal to 1. Okay, I will tell you what is my program. Do you know the hash is the comment line? Write a program in shell script. Okay, sort the name. Okay, okay. Then next I equals to will be make the 1. Here write the condition. Okay, while, okay, $I minus LT dollar, okay, len. Okay, here write the do. Then I'll be using the selection sort. So J is equal to EXPR, okay, dollar I plus 1. Okay, here you will write while, okay, and then $J minus LT in selection sort, though it is a J plus plus, so I'll be write here your loop so that 1 minus from the length, EXPR dollar len minus 1. Okay, so I'll be close this. So here we'll write, okay, do. Here write if, Okay, then what will do? You'll write dollar ch, okay, ch dollar j. If dollar j, that means next element. If it will be greater, so you will be write the, okay, less than. If less than, okay, so you will write a slash less than. It will work in string case. Okay, then write the dollar. Okay, you will be write ch dollar I. Okay, then you write the then keyword. Okay, then you write temp. You will take the temp variable. Temp equal to what to write here? Dollar. Okay, dollar ch. Okay, dollar I. Temp it will store. Okay. So next, okay, you write ch dollar I is equal to dollar ch dollar j. Then dollar ch dollar j is equal to temp. Okay, then it will be fi. Okay, then after fi you will be close the, okay, you will be put the what na your increment. Increment means it is a while loop. So here you will write j is equal to what, right? expr, okay, dollar j plus 1. Okay, then write it done. This loop will be closed. Okay, while loop. Then again I will close the this loop. So you will write I plus plus. That means I is equal to expr, okay, dollar I plus 1. Okay, then you will write the done. Then I want to display the array elements. So you can display the, you can sort the array elements. So you can display the, okay, what are the elements have sorted. So here you don't know, suppose, okay, you know the already the length. Okay, so here you will use the loop. Suppose I is equal to 0. You write while, okay, dollar I minus lt dollar len. Okay, before that you can write also echo dot sorted name is, okay, so here give the space minus n means it will display in one line. Okay, so here you will write do echo minus n, okay, dollar, you write suppose ch dollar I. Okay, then I is equal to expr dollar I plus 1. Then write it down. I think this program may be display the error, so don't worry. Now I'll be rectify your error. All of you do the practices. Again I have to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. If you will not understood the code in this program, then you will be write the, okay, which line the program is the error. So you can tell me. I'll be okay. Display the line number I have written here, so that it will be display the line number, and I'll be make so small. Okay, not small. I'll be again little bit small so that you can clearly visual, and also tell me the problem where you can find the difficulties in my code, so that I'll be okay rectify, or I'll be write in the comment section or describe in the comment section. Okay, so here I'll be save it. Okay, I'll be close it. Then again I'll be compile. I'll be enter Kritika. So 20 and 42 names are displaying problem. So I'll be go to the 42. Okay, so comes with me. Will be try to check the error. Okay, comes with me. Okay, 20 and 42. Suppose 20 this line. Okay, 20 this line. Why it is display the error? I'll tell you. Suppose exp $n minus 1. Okay, so 20 if $ch. Understood why it display error? Because this bracket is given and it is not closed here, so it will display the error. So I'll be save this and close this. Okay, I'll be again compile. Suppose I'll write the name Kritika is the my channel name. Okay, then line 32 is missing. That means I'll check. First I'll give you 1 minute, so you'll be check and tell me what is the error in the comment section. So in 32, okay, here you can see echo minus n after sorted name. Here I have not given the space, so I will give the space, then save and close it. Okay, then you write, so I have written. Okay, then I have seen. So I think in my program there are some errors are there, so it will be okay. Then here what to write here? Echo exp $i plus 1 I equal to 1 after sorted, while $i minus lt $ln echo minus n $ch I will experience. So here I will check why this error occurred. Okay, so I temp why? Okay, it will printed a temp, so I will check why it is printed a temp. Okay, I think here I have not given a $temp. Okay, so here you will write the $temp. Okay, without temp it will be taking the temp as a word, but if you write the dollar, then it will be okay. What now? It will be your okay. It will be store the value of the temp. Okay, then what to write here? So here I will save this and close this. Okay, then I will compile. I will write the Kritika. My name is sorted and display like this. Okay, so here I will write the echo so that it will be okay. Come below line, line. So here I will enter the okay. So have you seen? And I think you have enjoyed my program. If you really enjoy, then comment, like and share. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.